story that we're getting in this morning, and Republic News Break confirmed the Congress list is out and Rahul Gandhi's candidature from Rai Bareli is confirmed. The Wayanad MP will now fight the Lok Sabha elections also from Rai Bareli. He has already filed his nomination from Wayanad, and now Rahul Gandhi will fight the Lok Sabha contest from Rai Bareli. This comes after a massive push from the Congress cadre for the Gandhis to contest from the family bastions. However, remember viewers, Rahul Gandhi was expected to be contesting from Amethi. However, he hasn't taken on the poll plunge from the Amethi seat and in fact has gone on to Rai Bareli, the seat which was deserted by his mother Sonia Gandhi, who took on the Rajya Sabha seat, and in fact also fighting from Amethi now is Kishori Lal Sharma, and he will be fighting against incumbent Smriti Irani.
That's right, Kriti. And, the Congress has been postponing the announcement of candidates for 2 seats for several weeks now. Now, finally, it has been decided that Rahul Gandhi is going to contest from Rai Bareli. And amid the ongoing speculations which happened, the speculations went on for a long time. The Congress leader, Rahul Gandhi, is finally contesting the Lok Sabha elections from Rai Bareli, and the party has fielded senior leader and Gandhi family loyalist Kishori Lal Sharma from Amethi. Remember, viewers, Friday was the last date, which is today, was the last date of filing nomination and rights.
सर ये देखिए सर नाम आ गया, ये देखिए सर, अरे सर ऑफिशियल आ गया,
ये काफी चल रहा
सर आ गया, फेक नहीं है नहीं।
मैं बात करूंगा जिनसे करनी है तभी तो मैं करूंगा।
अभी बात नहीं,
तो बस इतना ही बोल दीजिए सर कि अभी
बात नहीं, अभी भैया अभी कर रही हैं, प्लीज प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट है।
Well, that was KL Sharma. He refused to, of course, speak to the media, and he's probably going to speak at a later time after he gets permission from the High Command, I suppose. But it's official now. He has not spoken to the media as of now, but he is contesting from Amethi, and Rahul Gandhi, on the other hand, is being fielded from Rai Bareli.
That's right, Guinea, and Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi will be reaching Rai Bareli at 10 a.m. Both of them will be accompanied by Sonia Gandhi and will land at Fursanganj, and all of them to first visit a temple in Rai Bareli, and then Rahul Gandhi to do a roadshow before filing his nomination. Meanwhile, joining us on the story live is my colleague Harsha. A very good morning to you. Harsha, now Republic News Break confirmed Rahul Gandhi set to fight the Lok Sabha polls from Wayanad and also from Rai Bareli. What more do you know?
So yes, rightly stated, Republic since morning was far ahead on this news that KL Sharma is all set to contest from Amethi and Rahul Gandhi from the Rai Bareli Lok Sabha constituency at 9 o'clock. All three members of the Gandhi family, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, will be landing at Fursatganj airport, and after that they will be moving towards the Rai Bareli Lok Sabha constituency. To tell you that now this contest has gone so far very interesting, because from Amethi we know that BJP has fielded the firebrand leader Smriti Irani, and against Smriti Irani Congress has fielded KL Sharma. We already know that Rai Bareli has been the stronghold of Congress party since decades, but now it's the official confirmation which has come from the side of Congress party is that Rahul Gandhi will now contest from Rai Bareli Lok Sabha constituency, and therefore all the preparations has been done by the Congress state level unit for the road show of Rahul Gandhi. This will be the first visit of Rahul Gandhi in Rai Bareli since the time the campaigning started for all the seats of Lok Sabha, and Rahul Gandhi along with Priyanka Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi will be visiting Rai Bareli. We know that the timing of the nomination is exactly 1 o'clock. At 1 p.m. both the leaders KL Sharma from Amethi and Rahul Gandhi from Rai Bareli will be filing their nomination, because because these two Lok Sabha constituency will go for polling on 20th of May, and today is the last day of nomination. After a lot of suspense, finally the official...
Right, Harsha, please hold on at the moment. We're joined by our national editor, Aishwarya Kapoor, on the phone line. A very good morning to you, Aishwarya. Now, Republic News Break confirmed and the suspense is finally over. Rahul Gandhi has deserted Amethi and will be fighting from Raebareli instead, and KL Sharma will take on the fight from Amethi against Smriti Irani.
Well, absolutely. At this point of time, it is very clear that, yes, Rahul Gandhi has skipped out of Amethi, and the duel between him and Smriti Irani will not be there, and he has chosen to basically contest from Raebareli. That is a constituency from where traditionally Sonia Gandhi had been contesting, but because of ailing health, she has chosen to not contest from any Lok Sabha seat and go to Rajya Sabha. So it is going to be Rahul Gandhi after Wayanad, and after information telling us, or rather filtering through our sources, that in Wayanad situation is not that comfortable for him. Now Rahul Gandhi decides to contest from Raebareli, and that in itself is going to be very, very important. And very clearly, it is being suggested that now Rahul Gandhi is out, the list is out. It is Rahul Gandhi from Raebareli and not Amethi. So Rahul Gandhi has basically skipped out of that duel between him and Smriti Irani for Amethi. We have to remember that in 2019, Smriti Irani of the BJP defeated Rahul Gandhi in Amethi. Rahul Gandhi, it seems, has not been able to muster that courage yet again to contest from Amethi, and hence he has chosen instead of Amethi. Today is the final day. He's going to be filing his nomination today itself. So very, very interesting that Rahul Gandhi has chosen Raebareli instead of Amethi. Back to you in the studios.
Right, thanks for joining us on this story this morning, Aishwarya. Viewers, let's go back to my colleague Harsha, who's reporting live from Amethi. Harsha, so the contest is sealed between Smriti Irani and KL Sharma from Amethi, and Rahul Gandhi and Dinesh Pratap Singh in Raebareli.
So yes, now the interesting battle which everyone was hoping for in Amethi between Smriti Irani and Rahul Gandhi is not going to happen. In 2019, Rahul Gandhi lost to Smriti Irani with a heavy margin of 55,000 votes. And this time, Congress in itself has chosen the safer seat for Rahul Gandhi. To tell you precisely, that Raebareli has been the stronghold of Congress party since decades. And entire Uttar Pradesh, this is the one VIP seat which has been with Congress even after 2014 when there was a Modi wave, and that is the reason why for Rahul Gandhi the Congress has decided for a safer seat, which is Raebareli. In fact, this election on Raebareli seat is also going to be very interesting between BJP candidate Dinesh Pratap Singh and Rahul Gandhi. In 2021, when the UP elections were the assembly election, BJP leader Aditi Singh won this seat, and therefore people are also saying that this time even in Amethi, this contest for Rahul Gandhi Raebareli, this contest for Rahul Gandhi is not going to be very easy. In Wayanad, he has already contesting from the Wayanad, and this is the second Lok Sabha constituency from where he is contesting. Situation for Rahul Gandhi is neither easy in Wayanad and neither it will be easy in Raebareli Lok Sabha constituency. But today we are going to witness the huge road show of both the leaders KL Sharma and Rahul Gandhi in Amethi and in Raebareli, and therefore the senior party leaders of Congress, the AICC in charges, the General Secretary, the UP Chief and all the leaders of the Uttar Pradesh will be with Rahul Gandhi in the road show, which will start from Raebareli, Kant area at around 11 o'clock. This road show is what will actually precisely will witness the huge number of Karyakartas, and whether this contest, how BJP is now going to hit back at Congress, this also will get to know shortly after, because right now we know since day one, Smriti Irani has been questioning Rahul Gandhi for not contesting from Amethi, and now the final official confirmation also reveals that Rahul Gandhi has decided to contest from Raebareli and not from Amethi. In 2019, the battle in Amethi was very interesting, but this time the battle in both Amethi and Raebareli is going to be very interesting. We have to wait and watch for exactly 1 p.m. when both the leaders KL Sharma and Rahul Gandhi will file their nomination from the respective seats from where they are fielded. Back to you.
Right, Harsha. Also take us through KL Sharma. Where did he contest from 2019? Will he be able to give a tough competition to Smriti Irani?
So, if we talk about KL Sharma's political journey till now, he has not contested the Lok Sabha election till now. Yes, he is the party loyalist and the close aide of Sonia Gandhi since the time of when the party was in formation. His entire family has been with Congress, and KL Sharma is considered to be the close aide of Sonia Gandhi and loyalist. And after lot of discussion amongst the party leaders, it was finally decided that Rahul Gandhi should be fielded from Raebareli, and KL Sharma this time should be given chance to contest from Amethi. However, BJP is very confident that this time also in 2024, BJP is going to retain the seat of Amethi, which Congress lost in 2019. And this time the BJP also states that they are more stronger in Amethi because of the absence of Rahul Gandhi. Even in 2014 and even after 2019, he lost, but he was never with the people of Amethi, and therefore this election for Congress is going to be very, very tough and interesting. At the same time, KL Sharma's political journey started from the year 1990, and from that time to till now, he has been in the Congress organization. He has also represented the block elections, but this is the very first time he has been given the chance from the Congress party to contest from the Amethi Lok Sabha constituency. And if we talk about his political journey in the organization, he has held several positions in the organization, from the general secretary to the in charge to the state in charge. But this political journey of him, this is the first time where he has got the opportunity from the side of Congress party to contest as the for the member of parliament, as the candidate for the Amethi Lok Sabha constituency. So we have to wait and watch exactly what will be the results, which will be revealed in June itself. But the battle for Amethi and Raebareli now precisely has gotten more and more interesting. Back to you.
Right, Harsha and Giri, let's go back to Rahul Gandhi once again. It seems like he's chickened out and refused to contest from Amethi despite a massive pressure from the Congress cadre to fight on that seat. But what are his prospects in Raebareli now, from where he will be taking on the seat of the ex-seat of his mother Sonia Gandhi? Harsha.
So there's a very clear-cut message. If we talk about Rahul Gandhi from 2004 to till 2019, several times he has contested, but three consecutive terms back to back, Rahul Gandhi has won this seat of the Amethi in 2004, and after that in 2014, and before that he won the seat of Amethi, but in 2019 he lost. This very clear-cut indication. However, we know that the party cadres and several leaders in the Congress party wanted Rahul Gandhi to not leave the Amethi seat and to contest from the Amethi, but the final decision was left to the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi exactly from which seat they wanted to contest. However, it was being said that for Priyanka Gandhi, they wanted Priyanka Gandhi to come into the election fray right now, and only Rahul Gandhi to contest the election from the major seat, which would be, initially it was talked about, would be Amethi, but now it is Raebareli. Very clear-cut indication that the Congress party has chosen a very safe seat for Rahul Gandhi, because if we talk about Raebareli has been the stronghold of Congress party. Sonia Gandhi has won from last several decades, and also Firoz Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, the family has been the Nehru Gandhi boroughs, the seat has been, and now Rahul Gandhi is contesting from the Raebareli Lok Sabha constituency. What message exactly is being sent out by the party cadre to the party cadre by the senior Congress leader? Is this what we will be watching, and we will be speaking to the Karyakartas as well when we will reach Amethi? Right now we are en route Amethi, but this is very much sure that they want Rahul Gandhi to win from Raebareli, because the situation for Rahul Gandhi is exactly very tough from the Wayanad as well, because in Wayanad the competition between LDF and UDF has gotten very interesting, where Annie Raja, K. Sudhakaran and Rahul Gandhi, all the three were contesting from the Wayanad Lok Sabha constituency, and now with Raebareli, Rahul Gandhi contest contesting from this seat. We'll have to see how interesting this battle will go, because in 2019 Rahul Gandhi lost the Amethi seat. Whether Rahul Gandhi will able to retain the seat which his mother has represented.
एक शरीर हम लोगों ने करीब जो है 1 कुंटल पुष्प की व्यवस्था की है कि और कि हम पूरे पुष्पों से लाद देंगे राहुल गांधी को, सड़कों को बिछा देंगे जिस रोड शो से जा रहे हैं, जिस प्लेस पे राहुल गांधी हमारे निकलेंगे, हमारा पॉइंट है, उस पॉइंट पे हम राहुल गांधी को फूलों से ला देंगे। ये हमारी मनोकामना है, क्योंकि हम लोग आज हम ही नहीं, हमारे रायबरेली का हर वोटर, हर रायबरेली का हर घर का व्यक्ति इतना खुश हो गया है कि आज उसका और आज जीत का सर्टिफिकेट आज ही की तारीख में मिलेगा। और यहाँ एक बार और पूरे राहुल गांधी कम से कम 6 लाख वोटों से जीतेंगे। 2024 में भारत के प्रधानमंत्री की जो रायबरेली से लड़ा उसका इतिहास बनेगा।